Hey, thanks once again for joining me. So glad that you're here. And as a follow-up to my video from last week, talking about the mortgage deferral program, I just wanted to touch on the fact that it's not a free-for-all. Basically, the banks are lenient, but they are qualifying every one of you that are calling in. And by the way, just be patient. They are, some lenders are getting upwards of 80,000 calls per day from what I'm hearing. So in the case that they are denying the 6-month deferral program for whatever reason, because they will ask you, do you have any, have you lost income recently? Have you been laid off? They'll go through a screening process, meaning do you have any savings to fall back on? They'll look at that as a last case scenario. So as a follow-up to that, another idea that you can explore is asking your lender to re-amortize the mortgage. So for example, if your payments are say $2,500 a month right now and you wanted to lower them rather than deferring the payments and adding them onto your principal, how that works is the bank will look at your actual years remaining. So not your term, because the term is what you're in right now. The amortization is the overall life of your mortgage. So when you initially purchased your home or refinanced your mortgage last, you probably took on a 20, 25, or maybe even a 30-year amortization. A lot of you have been trying to accelerate the payments to pay off the mortgage faster. So in a sense, when you re-amortize, you're taking the existing amortization, which could be down to 10 or 15 years, and you can ask the lender to re-amortize it right up to 30 years. And essentially what that's going to do is lower your monthly payment if you need that relief. Okay, that's one piece. Another point I wanted to talk about is a lot of people are calling, panicking. I've entered into an agreement of purchase and sale. We're closing in 2-3 months, and I've been laid off. Will the bank honor that approval commitment? Once again, the banks are reviewing every case on a case-by-case basis. If you were laid off between now and the time of your closing, chances are the bank is not going to go back and retract that approval commitment, especially if they already verified your employment income. They are too busy and certainly don't want to go back and re-verify your employment as they sometimes normally would in a normal market, right up until the last week, sometimes the last day of closing. So in a sense, they want things to keep moving. They don't want you to lose your deposit. Purchases on the real estate are still strong, believe it or not. From what I'm seeing, some homes are still selling above ask. So reach out to me if you have any questions that relate to you personally. I'm always here to help. Stay safe and stay busy, my friends. Talk to you soon.